Hello there everyone, hope you are all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about Detox Slimming Belly Palette reviews? So guys, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. And guys, if you wish to buy this product, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this product, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. Also guys, people from Ireland, United States, Canada and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this product. So next guys, we'll provide you with the full details of this product, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, we'll talk about the product type, then its features, and lastly the most important point, that are the legitimacy factors. So now let's begin. So this is the product and they have given the description of the product. So after checking this product out, we have found out that this product is a pellet patch for slim tummy. And the cost of this product is $27.99, but earlier it used to be $46.99. So right now it is on discount. Next, we'll talk about the features of this product. So guys, this product comes from the company named Starheo, and in one box there are 30 pieces. So in one box it comes with 30 pieces, and it has mentioned that this pellet has got a special weight loss supplement formula. It also uses all natural herbal ingredients, and for results, it gives you results within 3 to 4 weeks of daily use. So you can check this out guys. So now if you want to know about how to use this product, scroll it down till the end, and here they've given the steps for how to use it. So the first step is place a piece of pellet inside the circle first and then remove the sticker. Then place the pellet right in the belly button and apply the patch evenly. So next guys, we'll discuss about the legitimacy factors of this product, but before going further, we request you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now let's talk about the legitimacy factors. So first of all, about the availability of this product guys, we have checked and this product is available in this particular website only. And if we want to know about the release date of this product, we have checked, but we couldn't find the release date anywhere. Also, this product does not have any social media presence at all. And guys, if you want to know about the domain age and the trust score, we have checked, and this website was registered on 21st of January 2021. So this website is 1 year old and the trust score is only 8%. So now guys, if you want to know about the reviews of this product, we have checked, but there are no single customer review in any genuine website. So this is a negative sign of this product. So guys, in the conclusion of the Detox Slimming Belly Pellet reviews, this product appears to be a scam product. This product does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, we couldn't get the release date, and this website is also not very old and the trust score is very low. So it seems like a fake product. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day.